Well, folks, Cruella de Blond Bondi literally sent attack dogs to scare a woman into silence. Yeah. Pam Bondi ordered U.S. Marshals acting as mafia goons to visit a woman's house to intimidate her before her whistleblower appearance at a hearing about exposing Trump's attacks on the rule of law. But like all the biggest badasses who have ever stood up to the Orange Grandpa, Elizabeth Oyer wasn't having it. Elizabeth is a former pardon attorney for DOJ. She was asked to add actor Mel Gibson's name to a list of people who were recommended to have their gun rights restored after a conviction. In Gibson's case, he beat up his girlfriend in 2010 and pled no contest to a misdemeanor battery charge in 2011. Nice guy, huh? Well, Elizabeth wasn't given time to vet Gibson, and she took her job seriously, so she said no. After that, she got a call from a Justice Department official pressing her on the close relationship Punchy Mel has with Orangina, and Elizabeth still said no. So they fired her, and then she told the world what they did, like a badass. And right before she was going to testify at a hearing alongside several other former DOJ attorneys, Bondi decided to send Elizabeth a letter warning her about the risks of speaking out. And Pam decided the letter had to be hand-delivered by the best uniformed man-babies money can buy. Funny how the party of toughness seems so damn wussy that they need to bring an army everywhere they go. I wish instead of heading off the visit by signing the letter electronically, Elizabeth could have assembled a giant crowd of neighbors to stand on her front lawn and laugh at the U.S. Marshals as they marched up and pulled out their big bad letter. I kind of think laughing at all the tools in Orangina's toolbox is the most potent clapback. Meanwhile, millions of people protested peacefully this weekend, with no violence, no arrests, no attacks on the U.S. Capitol, no baby men chanting racist shit. All those people showed up and said, "We're not going to let you make this place a shithole full of monsters." And I think if people had known it was going to be safe, there would have been so many more. I'll bet Cruella de Blond Bondi wishes she had enough marshals to keep everyone from protesting. Sorry, Pam. The next one is on April 19th. Put it on the calendar, folks, and don't lose sight of the fact that women are consistently the ones who have stood for what's right throughout Orangina's assault on our nation. So hats off to Elizabeth Oyer. Well done. We appreciate you. And to Cruella de Blonde and all the wussy soldiers in Orangina's army of awfulness, have the day you deserve. Yeah.